Check this out, viewers. We're loading it into place, the concrete structure. It's up on the crane there. Yeah, it's really coming together at the front there. So you can see they're bringing the ramp up to meet the road there now. So yeah, as the digger goes up there, you can see he's nearly level with the top of the fence now. He's bringing the compacting the road up and building it up, ramping it up to meet that bridge, so the cars can come over the bridge and down. At the same time, this is being filled in at the top. Let's see if I can zoom in for you. And there you go. There you have it. There's not much left to do there at the front, to be fair. Okay, see that, guys? That's the next section of concrete that's going to go on the back of this lorry. That's the actual floor of the car park. We're just going to lift it up, drop it into place. Unbelievable, eh? I'll see if I can get a better angle from above. Okay, viewers, here we are back at Blackpool Central to just check an update, see what changes have been made over the last couple of days, if any. See the crane's hard at work there. So there's a few more floors that's gone in since we was last here as well. Let's have a look. Yes, cranes there working hard. So down here you can see where the staircase is going to be. They've actually cut the wall away on the gradient there. That's an existing wall that was there before, but they've actually cut it away to the gradient that the staircase is going to be at the bottom there. I'm talking about this wall here. That was a straight wall right across before, and they've cut it off at an angle to go follow the angle of what's going to be a staircase there by the looks of it, up onto where it joins the road here. This is where it joins the road, and as we speak they're moving earth to bring it up towards here so they can connect with the end of this bridge to take the traffic up and over. Yeah. Oh, they've got quite a big chunky crane there doing the lifting work. It's actually, I don't know what weight these concrete platforms are, but you know what? I'm just going to be nosy. I'm going to actually ask. I'm going to go down there and ask, what weight are them concrete platforms that they've been moving? What weight is that crane lifting? So I'll check back in a minute, viewers. I'm going to go and have a chat with the guys down there and see if we can find out. Okay guys, there you can see exactly what happens here now. The lorry's brought the flooring into place. They're just attaching the couplings to lift it, and then it'll quite simply be taken into place. So he's going to get out the way there, I think. There you go, and it's ready to go. Take it up. There we go. I don't know the sheer weight of that, but it's got to be, I would say, at least, I don't know, I wouldn't like to say, 10 ton each. Gotta be, hasn't it? It's gotta be 10 ton each. And that is quite simply the car park floor. That is a piece of car park floor. Just getting winched into place. You can see it's off the back of the lorry. It'll go up, it'll spin round, and it'll drop into place over here where them two guys are stood there waiting for its arrival. You've got Boss Man up the top there with a black helmet overseeing everything. She goes. Sorry about the wind noise if there is any, it's a bit breezy up here. That's one big lump of car park going into place. Some machinery, that crane, isn't it? Some machinery, that is. And they work to the millimetre, these measurements. It's unbelievable what they can do nowadays, these buildings. Can you imagine doing something like that, I don't know, 50, 100 years ago? It'd take forever, wouldn't it? And here it's just boom. He's just going to pull it around as it needs, guiding it into place. Look, it's like 10 ton of concrete, and he's just fighting with it to keep it into the right direction he wants. Wow. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. As you can see, we're nearing the front end of here. There's not a lot more of this to be put into place before it completes at the front. You can see, look at this. Look at him at the pull on that. Wow. He spins it round like that. And we're being lowered into place. That's incredible how they just guide that huge lump of concrete in between all that metal. Unbelievable. I mean, this is precision stuff, this. Okay guys, I've just had a chat with one of the foremen there, and get this. Each one of those concrete platforms that we've been seeing lifted into place are 14 ton. 14 ton. Yeah? And this is the incredible part. They're made in Ireland. So they're ferried across from Ireland, 14 ton a piece, to be met here at the ports and then brought by road to here. Now, what a logistical nightmare that must be. Can you imagine? Because if they're sat at any point for any length of time, That's wasting money, isn't it? So it's going to be like everything has to run like clockwork. They're arriving and putting into place as quick as possible, because can you imagine having to store them things? Unbelievable. So 14 ton, that crane is lifting 14 ton weights each time one of them goes up. 14 ton. That is incredible, incredible. What a feat of engineering that is. You just walk past these things and you don't realise, you just like, you know, you just shrug it off as just another building go up. But and when you actually talk to somebody about the what's gone into it, it's unbelievable. 14 ton. I cannot get my head around that. 14 ton each, and they're just dropping them in like a big jigsaw puzzle. Anyway, guys, I just thought I'd update you on that. That's got to be a bit of an exclusive on my part. Okay, guys, as you can see there, dead in front of me, the diggers are working tirelessly there, taking the road up to meet the bridge, which will bring the traffic off Eden Way and straight down into this car park. From what I'm seeing now, it's looking like it's going to head down the ramp and turn back on itself to the entrance at the end of K Street, Chapel Street, which is under this bridge. I'll show you now. It doesn't seem to be, I thought there was going to be entrances at this side, should I say like the west facing side, but no. It's looking now, it's looking like it's going to, the traffic's going to come round and back on itself, and the entrance is going to be further up there. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing, that's what I think it's going to be. So dead ahead of us, where the guy is in the day-glow jacket, I think that's where the entrance is going to be, up there. Could be wrong, but there you go. We'll see how we go. So they've got the construction of the road where they're going to take it up to meet the bridge, which is here. So it's going to come back on itself 360 degrees and come back up Chapel Street under the bridge, and the entrance is